Hi everybody, Jean-Charles Compagnon with the KiOui app. This video is mostly for our KiOui users, but I want to show you as well as other people how to make videos. This is, like I said, mostly for KiOui employees to make videos to help some of our customers, but it might also be helpful for somebody else that wants to know how to make videos. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go into your Google account or your Google browser and search for Camstudio. This should take you to camstudio.org. That's where we want to go. You're going to need to go down, and and you're going to want to download and install the Camstudio 2.7 or whatever the latest build is, and the Camstudio lossless codec 1.5. This is important to make good videos and good YouTube videos. Once you've downloaded those and installed them, I've already installed mine, I am going to try to load my Camstudio recorder so that you can see how it works. So here I have my Camstudio that's actually recording this video right now. So hopefully this will show you exactly how it works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to define this area here where I'm recording this video. To make a good video for YouTube, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use a fixed region, and you're going to want to make sure that you have 1280 by 720. This is a 720p HD video. YouTube is going to be able to upscale that to 1080p, and you will get a very good resolution with it. You could try to go higher and find the 1080p, but 720p works very well for YouTube. I use the left corner so that my region of recording is always fixed within my screen. You could use 10 here and 10 if you have smaller screen, but the idea is that this window here is fixed so that when you use your browser here, you actually make your browser window be, you take it like this and you stretch it out to take exactly the recorded window, so that you're not showing up your whole desktop, you're actually just showing this that's being recorded. So let's switch back to Camstudio. Once you have your region set like this, you're going to want to go to Option, Video Option, and you want to make sure that you have this Camstudio lossless codec 1.5 selected, and just leave the default here. This is very important to take good quality videos so that users can see it, and you don't run out of space within the codec. This is a very good codec that works very well, so make sure that you have it selected within all of your other codec. Once that is done, you're going to go back to Options, and you're going to select to record which audio record you want to do, and if you want to record the audio from your speaker or just from the microphone. In this case, for me, it's just from the microphone so that it does not record the Windows noises. You're going to go then to Options, Audio Options here, and Audio Option for Microphone. And if you have, like me, if you have a headset like this, you're going to want to make sure you select your headset. If you have a microphone on your monitor, you're going to want to make sure that your monitor is selected. And so if you have multiple microphones, depending on your device, you want to make sure that you select the device that you want to be recording from. Okay, so once this is done, you have, I don't know why it says codec MS video, because we're in lossless. But anyway, once you have that done, then you press the record here, and it starts recording your video. Obviously, you don't want to have this within your screen. What I usually do is, and you're not going to see it, but I push it out of my screen right there, so where I can push, pause, stop, and all of that. If for whatever reason you do not have a bigger screen and you cannot push it away, you can switch to just button view like this, so that at least you can leave it up there, for example, and it doesn't take too much of your screen when you're going to press stop or record, and that you can still show people, you know, what you're doing here. The idea is to have this a little bit out of the way if you cannot have it on a larger screen or further below your screen like this. You see, you don't see it anymore, up its back, or this way when you have bigger screen. So now that you've recorded a video, when you're going to press stop, it's going to ask you for a location. I'm obviously not going to do stop in this video because I want it to keep recording. When you press stop, it's actually going to ask you where you want to save the video, and so you just say somewhere on your desktop or someplace where you want it. Once you have the video saved, you're going to go to YouTube, and you should be able to, if you do not have access to upload on YouTube, let me know. We'll give you access. But you should be able to be logged in as your KiOui-apps.com. Then click here, switch account, and you should be able to switch to KiOui Apps. If you do not switch to KiOui Apps, you will not be uploading to our YouTube channel. You'll be uploading to your channel. So for the KiOui users, make sure that you upload to KiOui Apps so that your video can be uploaded to our channel. You can see here that I'm as KiOui Apps, and this is good. Then you click Upload here. This will load. Make sure that you set this to unlisted at first. Click Select your video. And let me go to my video here, and I'm going to be selecting this 1, 2, 3, for example. That's an example. Up, and the video as is uploading right here, and it is still unlisted. You can, at this point, you do not want to fill this too much, but put a name here that you're going to remember, because later on we will search this to add some things with it. So I'm letting it upload, and I just put this as JC's test video, and I leave it as unlisted for now. Okay, so our video test is now uploaded to YouTube. It's processed and it uploaded fine. Now that we have this video uploaded, one of the things that you're going to want to do is go to the video manager here, find that video here that's still working on, and click the enhancement here. The first thing that we're going to do with this video, you can see this little Minecraft video from my kid. The first thing that we're going to do from our video is, if you had, and you might not need this, but if at first you had a little lag where you had to show this button or some things to start the video, you can trim your video here to what you need it to be trimmed to. And same thing at the end, you might have something that you want to trim out. So there, we can trim out the video to be just like that. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to apply the autofix. The autofix, especially for screen capture videos, are very important because they make the video so much sharper. So we trim the video like we just did here, and we autofix it. Then we click Save. It tells us that it's going to take a little bit of time to process it. So we click OK, and that's fine. It takes a little bit of time to process it. You can see here that the quality is not so good, but because with we uploaded it in 720p, we can click on it and look at what the quality is going to become once it changes to 720p. It might still be processing, but you can see how it's a little bit blurry here, but it's going to get to be a little... See how it went so much better? It's so much sharper now because we're in 720p and because we recorded it at that speed. So I'm going to pause that, and I'm going to go back to Video Manager that you can get here or you can get up here. And the video edit is in progress. So we're going to wait just a little minute. Okay, so the video has been processing a little bit and is almost done. So what I'm going to do in the meantime is this video. Okay, so it's video of Minecraft for my kid, but let's pretend that I just made a video, a basic video for eBay. So I would use then this jingle blank with sound as my opening video. Let's say that instead of this, I made a key feedback application or videos, I'm sorry. So I would click on this key feedback video, and if you don't know where it is because you cannot find it, you can always search within the upload for jingle. Jingle should give you all of our jingle. This one is for key sales, this one is for key Google Analytics. They're like an introduction video. So you click on it and you click on the enhancement here, and this will allow you to have this link here. Try the YouTube video editor. I'm sure down the road the video editor is going to be a different place and location, but this is kind of like my easy way of doing it, of accessing it. Once you have the video editor here, and it just lets you access the video editor. You're going to have to find, again, this is for key tracking, so I'm going to have to search for key feedback. I'm sorry, I said jingle for key feedback. And I'm going to drag my video right here. So this is my first video. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to add the JC test video right here that I uploaded. And this is why I said you need to remember the name, because it's easier to search with it here. And I'm dragging it and adding it to the video. So now, if I go back to the beginning here and I play it, at first it does not play because it takes a little bit of time to build. And if you see now, there's going to be our first video. The little jingle, and you can see that this one is for key-based social. I don't know why it says key feedback. Anyway, and now you see the little video that's after. So it does one with the other. You could, if you want, click here, for example, and add a transition. If we wanted to have a color fade, for example, we take this color fade. You see how it added it before? And I'm going to move it to be in between the two applications. So let's see what it looks like now. The jingle plays. And I don't know why this one is for key-based social. I'm going to have to remove and find the key feedback. And there was the little color fade, and the video starts. So let's go back to this video here, and let's see, jingle, key feedback. Oh, and the key feedback says Keybase Social. So I'm going to have to re-upload a different video for that. But right now you get the point anyway of how to build a video. Once you've built your video like this with the transition and whatever you wanted, you can then here call it this. So let's say, for example, this would be for key feedback. So you would put key feedback. We put a dash after so that people kind of know where this video is from. And this is a video to show you how to do blah. And we're going to publish it. And it tells us that a video is being processed. And to check back in a few minutes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the video manager. And we can see that our video is being processed here. Obviously, you see that this video is still being editing. You would want to wait for this video to be edited before you add it into the other video. Okay? Let's pretend that this video was edited before and we're totally fine with it. Now we're going to click here and we're going to go to Edit. And here we're going to change the description. We want it to be meaningful because our users are going to see this. So this is a video made to show users how to do blah with blah and add blah. You want to put some of the tags here. Key feedback with no space, eBay, KiOui. Put all of the terms that you think, it doesn't matter. It's a how to and style video, so this is great. We're going to save it. You go to monetization and you're going to enable monetization by just clicking this. You go to advanced setting, and one thing that I like to have added to it is not necessarily the video location, but add the date to it so that we can know if it's an up-to-date video or if it's an old video. Once this is done, we click here and we save. We go back to basic info, and once the video is going to be done processing, you can simply make it public, and then our users are able to access it. So I'm going to save, and now this video is public. Of course, the video is not really public up until it actually has been processed and processed by Google. But you get the idea. I'm going a little fast here. If this is a key feedback video, what you should do, let's see, we're going to go to, where is it? Stay on this page. Advanced setting. It's not there. I'm going to click on the video. Share. Yes. And I have the URL of the video here. I'm going to go back to the video manager. And this video is still being processed. So obviously, like I said, it takes time. So let's see, I clicked on the video manager. Why is it not loading? Ooh, YouTube is having a little problem. There you go. We refreshed it. So now we're going to go to playlists. And we're going to find the key feedback playlist right there. And we're going to edit the playlist. And we're going to add a video. The video that we just took, and we have the URL here. And I'm adding it. And now this video got added to the playlist. And it's still processing. Now that, let's just imagine that this video is done processing. So what we're going to want to do to clean a little bit what we just did is this video here that we uploaded here And again, it's still processing, but let's just imagine that it's done processing. We're going to click here, and we're going to delete this video, because this was just a temporary video that we made to make this other video. And there you go. You have a video right here that's been made. Still not playable because it's working on it. And you have this URL right here that you can send to a customer to show them how to do. And because your video is public, other people will be able to see it later down the road. So again, one of the things that you need to make sure is that you sign in with your KiOui account. Because when you sign in with your, like mine, jccompagnon at kiwi-apps.com, it will allow you to switch to KiOui apps to upload the video. If it does not allow you to do it, then send me an email and I will add you to the manager so that you can upload videos. So now that we're at the end of the video, I'm going to go back to my Camstudio right here, and I'm going to press stop, and I'm going to upload that video and then share it with you, just like I did with that sample. I hope this is going to help some of you do videos. Those videos for non-KiOui employees are also great to show bugs to eBay. So if you want to email the eBay bug guy, then you can use this to make a little quick video on what's happening and what your process is, and it really helps them to figure out what the problem is. So thank you.